thousand colors, thousand trees, almost they're forgotten in the windmills of your mind. A thousand moments, thousand pictures, simply no way to describe them. The words seem hard to find. I see the colors, feel your presence, your enchanting smile gives me lovely memories. No time for tears, no time for sorrow, just dive into this ocean so full of melody. Darling, forever, through all the time, our greatest moments, are they on your mind? Turning the pages, one by one, the feeling gets stronger like it's never been gone. Our greatest moments, till the end of time, say do you remember the best things in life?
Svadba je bila u 10. mjesecu prošle godine, tako da negdje tamo u 11. mjesecu smo odlučili se izraditi fotoknjigu i došla nam je nekako u 11. mjesecu, krajem 11. mjeseca kući i bili smo jako zadovoljni i od sada samo od sebe fotoknjiga.